as being Trixie.
Your Aunt Hilda worked very hard baking that cake.
Yeah, it's your favourite one.
Anzie, I'm not sure what happened.
I hear a noise
They're here.
like a rising tide.
The Eldritch Terrors are ancient entities. They are world destroying. And there are more terrors yet to come. Culminating with the arrival of the Void.
'Cause I take no prisoners.
And with it, the end of all things.
We have to stop this. I could go to hell and visit Sabrina Morningstar. Darkness is going to consume Greendale and the entire world if we don't stop it. A threat to one of us is a threat to us both. I can't do it alone. What'd you have in mind?
If the Eldritch Terrors will have the power to warp reality itself.
I know what you're going to say, but somehow I'm responsible for what's happening.
There's gonna be a fight.
Sabrina Spellman, we're endgame.
There's gonna be a war.
It's coming. The void. So let's finish this the way we always do. Together.